The market that turned predatory. Between 2023 and 2025, the US car market didn't dip. It collapsed in slow motion. Values didn't fall. They imploded. Insurance didn't rise. It detonated. Repairs didn't increase. They doubled quietly, while buyers weren't looking. Depreciation curves transformed into vertical drops. Auction lanes filled with models that once held value, now selling for pennies on the dollar. Negative equity swallowed millions of owners before they hit 10,000 miles. Hidden beneath that disaster are 10 vehicles that didn't just lose value, they weaponized it. Cars that punish owners, cars that bleed money, cars that collapse faster than the market that surrounds them. This list isn't a rant, it's a forensic autopsy, built on auction data, warranty failures, cost of ownership spikes, and the supply chain fractures automakers desperately try to bury. If you buy one of these cars in 2026, you're not taking a risk. You're stepping directly into a financial sinkhole. Here are the 10 models that will hurt you the most. 1. Ford Explorer, 2020 to 2024. The family SUV that financially eats its owners alive. Ford's 10-speed transmission wasn't innovative. It was a time bomb. Failure rates climbed, complaints piled up, insurance premiums spiked as repair events spread through underwriting databases. At auctions, Explorers fall 28 to 35% faster than the Pilot or Highlander. Not depreciation. Structural collapse. Owning one in 2026 isn't bad luck. It's willing financial decay. 2. Jeep Wrangler 4xe. A hybrid icon that aged like a failed prototype. Battery module faults. Communication errors. Drivetrain shutdowns in parking garages and driveways. Auction sheets show them dropping 30 to 40% below expected residuals and sinking further as used inventory floods the market. The 4xe wasn't Jeep's future. It was a public beta test sold at MSRP. In 2026, it's one of the fastest ways to set your money on fire. 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 2.7 turbo. The truck crushed by economics, not engineering. Mechanically fine. Financially, a disaster. Oversupply is suffocating the market. Dealer lots sit on these trucks for 90 to 110 days. Triple normal turnover. Stagnation forces discounts. Discounts destroy resale. Destroyed resale shoves buyers into negative equity before the first oil change. It's the truck you love buying and hate owning. 4. Nissan Ariya. An EV outgunned before the fight began. Slow charging, thermal throttling. Battery tech already obsolete by 2025 standards. As faster, cheaper competitors emerge, Ariya values fell like a vertical drop on a graph. Buying one in 2026 doesn't move you forward. It pulls you backwards. 5. Volkswagen ID.4. The EV that exposed what happens when you ship too early. Software failures. Charging communication bugs. UI lockups while driving. Warranty claims piled high. Early ID promoters now suffer 40 to 55% depreciation. Catastrophic even for early-gen EVs. These weren't first editions. They were unfinished experiments. Buyers paid full price to be test subjects. 6. Tresorbe Dodge Durango V8. A muscle SUV in an anti-muscle economy. High-output SUVs were reclassified as high risk. Insurance premiums exploded 20% plus. Fuel costs punish every commute. Maintenance is heavy. Demand is evaporating. The Durango V8 didn't lose value. It bled it. A performance SUV in 2026 isn't nostalgia. It's a financial ambush. 7. Tesla Model S pre-2022. Luxury EV meets accelerated obsolescence. Tesla's tech cycle ages vehicles a decade at a time. Pre-2022 units lack modern battery architecture, lose range, and sit one major repair away from a 5-figure bill. Values are dropping up to 50%, with pace increasing after every major software revision. This isn't depreciation, it's technological extinction. 8. GMC Acadia, 2020 to 2023. The SUV that collapsed. When the market finally asked for quality weak transmissions, electrical issues, interior aging like a rental unit. When 2024 oversupply hit, the Acadia didn't adjust. Its resale floor disappeared. Auction lanes rejected batch after batch. This isn't a family SUV, it's a fleet return profile wearing a retail price tag. 9. BMW 7 Series 2016 to 2021. The luxury sedan that punishes anyone who buys it. Used masterpiece engineering. Nightmare economics. Every component is complex. Every failure is surgical. Every repair threatens your savings. These sedans lose 50% plus value in 5 years, and even more once newer tech versions arrive. A used 7 Series isn't luxury. It's inheriting someone else's financial crater. 10. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. High mileage fleet units. The most deceptive car on this entire list. The normal RAV4 Hybrid is brilliant, but the 150,000 to 180,000 mile fleet units flooding auctions in 2026 are not. Battery degradation, inverter fatigue, hybrid systems pushed beyond consumer limits. The Toyota badge cannot save these cars. Their usage history kills their value long before buyers understand the trap. The danger isn't the model. It's the mileage bomb hidden under the odometer. 2026 is not a year for guesses. The 2026 market does not reward hope or nostalgia or brand loyalty. It rewards precision. It rewards awareness. It rewards buyers who understand that depreciation is now a weapon. And failing to anticipate it is how you lose. These 10 vehicles weren't defeated by picky consumers. They were defeated by the market itself. When supply surged, but they cracked. When tech advanced, they fell behind. When insurance spiked, they became liabilities. When repairs rose, they became traps. Avoiding these cars isn't caution. It's survival. In a year where one wrong decision can drain thousands, the smartest choice you make might be the car you refuse to buy.